Let us start theorem number 6.1. Important theorem. If two lines intersect each other, we will learn it. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. I told you about it. Okay? If two lines intersect each other, see. First draw the diagram. Two lines. Name the one line AB, another line CD. Okay, they intersect each other at point O. Now, if two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles. See, pair of vertically opposite angles are these and this, and these and this. Prove that they are equal. So, what is about data? Data means given. What is given? Two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. Two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. So, vertically opposite angles are formed. Which pair of vertically opposite angles are formed? Angle AOD and angle BOC. These two, angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles. Now say about the next pair, this and this, angle BOD and angle AOC, angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. So two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. Now, what you are want to prove? To prove what? We want to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. Means the measurement of this angle are equal. That the number one, angle AOD, this one, plus angle BOC, that is equals to 180. Oh, sorry, I am really very sorry. We want to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal, not supplementary. So AOD equals to BOC. Second pair, angle AOC equals to angle BOD. Okay, we want to do this. Now, what is our proof? Your logical steps. Proof. See, first we consider start with any two angles. Suppose we start with this two, then we move this two. Means take this one is common. If you start with this two and then you want to move this, then take this two. So this one will be common. Start with this two and move with this, then this will be common as you like. Okay. So here I take that COD is a line. And ray OB is the common ray for angle this and angle this. Okay? See. COD is a line. And ray OB is the common arm. Common arm for which two angle? For angle BOC and angle BOD. Suppose ray OA is not there, then COD is a line and ray OB is the common arm. So this angle and this angle are form what? Angles of linear pair, because it is on a line. So for which angle? For angle BOC and angle BOD. So angle BOC and angle BOD form angles of linear pair. Therefore, angle BOC and angle BOD forms angles of linear pair. Okay? If it forms angles of linear pair, then linear pair are always supplementary. I can write BOC plus BOD equals to 180. Call it result number 1. Now we start with this and we move to this. Now we move this. Take these two triangles. Sorry, these two angles. Now AOB is a line and RAOD is the common arm. Now AOB is a line and RAOD is a common arm. Common arm for which two angles? See, suppose this ray is not given. AOB is a line and RAOD is the common arm. So this angle and this angle form angles of linear pair. So sum of these two angles is 180. So here we want to write AOB is a line or RAOD is the common arm for which angle? Angle BOD and angle AOB. For angle BOD and angle AOD. Okay? If this two angle lies on a straight line having one common arm, we can say that it is angles of linear pair. Therefore, angle BOD and angle AOD forms angles of linear pair. Okay? If they form angles of linear pair, then according to rule you know that linear pair is always supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angles is 180. So angle BOD plus angle AOD, that is equals to 180. Result number 2. Compare 1 and 2 because number 1 sum of two angles is 180, result is 180. Here in number 2 also result is 180. So from 1 and 2, if right sides are equal, we can say left sides are equal. So angle BOC, this one, see, number 1 plus angle BOD, that is equals to angle BOD plus angle AOD. Now check it. From both the side, two angles which are common, BOD and BOD will be cancelled. Remaining is what? Angle BOC equals to angle AOD. See here, AOD equal to BOC. The first is proved. So this is your number 1. First is proved. Now second, you know there is no need to prove second number. You can write directly. Similarly, we can prove angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Second. Right? Hence proved. So in this way, a statement is your question. In exam, the question will be asked in this way: prove that if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Statement is given only. You have to prove it. First draw the diagram, then write the data, then to prove, and then proof up to this, and lastly write hence proof. Here you will get 4 out of 4 marks. Okay? Now we will start exercise 6.1. Write down this by repeating the video. Try to understand this. Write down 2 to 3 times. Okay? It will be very easy for you. Now exercise. Exercise 6.1. question number 1. Figure is given again. Keep on focus on the figure. Try to understand the definition and concept very fast. Which angles are linear pair, which angles are vertically opposite, which angles form adjacent angle. Okay? See, the question is what? Lines AB and CD. Lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree, angle BOD equals to 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. See, this is your question. Okay? AOC, what is given? See, angle AOC plus angle BOE. Try to find out this. AOC means this angle, BOE means this angle. Sum of this angle is 70 given. This angle is not given. BOD 40, BOD, this angle is given 40 degree. Now see, you have learned about vertically opposite angles theorem. That vertically opposite angles are equal. You also know that angles of linear pair is supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angles is 180. Use your knowledge. See, suppose OE is not there. Line AB and line CD intersect each other at point O. So this angle and this angle form vertically opposite angle. If this is 40, then this is also 40. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. See, answer is what? Lines AB and CD intersect each other at point O. Therefore, angle BOD and angle AOC forms vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are always equal. BOD equal to AOC, but BOD is given 40. So AOC also we have now 40. Okay. Also given that AOC plus BOE is 70, but angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 given. Is it okay? Out of this two, we found that AOC is 40. So place the value 40 plus BOE equal to 70. Take plus 40 other side, it will be minus. So angle BOE equals to 70 minus 40. So angle BOE equal to 30. This is your first answer. BOE, your first answer. Want to find BOE, so here we have BOE is 30. Is it okay? Now want to find reflex of COE. So for this you have to find simple or only angle COE. COE, you find it this. You know that AOB is a line. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle. This total, these three angles form 180 degree. Now AOB is a line. So according to diagram, angle AOC, this angle, plus this angle, that is COE, which we want to find, plus this angle will be BOE, straight line angle means total 180 because they lie on a straight line. Now we have AOC is 40, COE we want to find, and BOE is 30 degree. 40 plus 30 70. Take 70 other side, it will be minus 70. Angle COE equals to 110. Okay? This is not your answer, but we have now COE equal to 110. This is 110. We want to find reflex of COE. So after that you can find out reflex of angle COE equal to what? 360 degree minus angle COE. Reflex means COE now we have 110. Out of this 110, the remaining this is called its reflex. So 360 minus 110, that is 250 degree is the reflex of COE. Reflex angle COE. This is your second answer. Okay? In this way you can find very simple, but you have to write like this. Remember the method how to write the answer. Answer is very easy, that this one is 40, this one is 40. If this is 40, then this will be 30 because total 70 is given. 40, 30, 70, so remaining 110 because this is a straight line angle. If this is 110, then reflex of 110, then 360 minus 110. You can find it orally also, but if there is a 2 marks question, you have to write like this. Okay, so please be alert. Second question, write down this. After that, we will start second question. Again, a figure is given, figure number 6.14, page number 97. A perpendicular ray is given. Name it X, O, Y, and O, N. This is OP, and given that this is 90, this symbol shows it is 90 degree. Let this is small a, this value is of small b, this value is of small c. Okay? Given that angle POY equals to 90 degree, A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, find C. This is your question. Now see. Proportion is given. A is to B, 2 is to 3. A is to B, 2 is to 3. A is to B equal to 2 is to 3 given. It means what? If there is a proportion or is to, you can write x upwards means left. Your supposition will be like this: A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. Okay? See now, if B, A and 90, they lie on a straight line x o y. Now x o y is a line. Therefore, this angle, and this angle, sum of these three angles form 180 degree. Which angle? B plus A plus 90. That is equals to 180. Reason straight line or straight angle. B is what? 3x. A is what? 2x plus 90 equal to 180. Take plus 90 other side. It will be minus 3x plus 2x means 5x equal to 180 minus 90. So So 5x equals to 90. X equals to 90 divided by 5. 5 is in multiplication, move down. So x equals to 18 5s are 18 degree. X equals to 18 degree. Therefore, A equal to what? A is 2x. 2 into 18, that is 36 degree. Therefore, B equal to what? 3x. 3 into 18, 54 degree. Okay? Now we want to find C. Now we have this angle, we have this angle. What about C? This and this are vertically opposite angle. See, line MON and line XOY. Suppose this is not given. Suppose it is not given. Then line XOY, lines XOY and MON intersecting each other at point O. Okay, so this angle and this angle means A plus 90. Now we have A. This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, means C and A plus 90 are vertically opposite angles. If vertically opposite angle, then their measurements are same. So C equal to A plus 90. We have the value of A. A is what? 36. So C equals to 36 plus 90. So C equal to 126. Okay, this is your answer. Find C. You can do by other method also. Okay, you can find this one. A plus 90 plus this. A plus 90 is what? 126. 126 plus this equal to 180. This plus this is also 180. Means you can find out like this. 180 minus 126 will be this. And 180 minus this will be C. Is it okay? Question number 3. In figure, again a figure is given. A line